again. Hi, Princess Blizzard. Are you gonna show us some more Pokemon? Oh, yes, I am. Yes! Okay, let's do this. Okay. Here we go. Royal Hand.
This is how simple it is. Pick up the phone, dial the number, and after that, you go into the school and they will help you with everything else. The more you sit there and think, I can't do it, the more time you're wasting. As long as you take that step, they help you take that next step. You are the only one that can make this decision. Nobody else.
Pokemon!
And it actually changes.
Oh my gosh.
Think about it. Call everything. Tonight, starting at 6. 2 shows, 1 rule. Just laugh. You got a tattoo because I said you
Yeah, Jolteon! Oh wait. Yeah, Jolteon! Nope, this time I'm gonna use another Pokemon. Aww.
This time, it's a recipe with even more shocking results. Ashley swears her newlywed husband is already sleeping with other women. The results will set them free on the next morning.
Oh, darn it, my crown keeps falling for some reason.
Are you going to be in the
Alright, Snakin.
Come see the Mari show. For 3 tickets to call.
Let's do this, Snakin. Another one of those drowsies. Yeah, let's do it, Snakin. Snakin. Use Poison Sting. Now that is my Pokemon. No, Snakin! No, Snakin! Shoot, there we go, Snakin. Oh well, I'm gonna have to switch out for this Pokemon and change it to Sealy. What are those sparkles surrounding it? This means it's a shiny Pokemon. See that PSN right there? That means the Drowsy is poisoned. Poison. Axie, don't you remember your lesson? Yes, I do. Okay. Okay, Sealy. Ah, there goes the camera. Use your Aurora Beam.
Oh, you putting the thing over there?
Yes. Yes, I'm recording. I'm recording my gameplay. There we go. How's that? Now that is all I could do today. Thank you for listening and watching. Aw, already? I don't want to do this again. Come on. Okay, I guess we could. Well, let us all have a royal feast. Come on, Royal Hand. Give us a brownie. At your service, Blizzard. This could take a while. Anyways. Okay. So, this is our lesson for Pokemon, right? Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Royal Hand, hurry up! Fiber brownie, perfect. A fiber brownie. Let's eat! Hold on. Royal hand, open it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick. Ah, here we go. Our perfect, delicious brownie. Right here at our very, very eyes. It's not open yet. Smells good. Wow! See that? Royal hand, open it more. Can you? Wow! Sorry, people. I need to open this. Oh my gosh, I can't control the camera and stuff. Okay, here we go. Our royal brownie. Yum! This looks scrumptious. Oh my gosh, chocolate chips! Come on, guys, you've got to eat this. It tastes awesome! What do you say, my other head? It looks mighty tasty. Yep, it does. Let's eat. Nom 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 nom.
It's what they do. You may be entitled to up to $2,000 in injury and loss benefits. That's why the phrase after 911 call 411 accident. Remember, after 911 call 411 1-800-411 pain. Not a jury.
Ow.
Is it difficult to fully relax or concentrate? You feel tense or anxious
turn.
most of the time. If so, you may have an anxiety
Nom
disorder.
nom nom nom
Now
nom.
we're conducting a clinical research study of an investigational drug for adults with generalized
Okay,
anxiety
clearly
disorder.
that's all
There is no
we
cost to
could do
participate,
today,
and compensation
so
for time and travel may be
wait
provided.
until later.
Toll-free, 1-866-620-6565.
Dragonets? Okay, this is Team Dragonet signing out.